As an academic researcher, ideas come to me at most unexpected times. While reading journals, having a conversation with friends, or even just walking down the road. At first, I trusted my memories to keep track of all these valuable insights. I would think, I'll remember this, it's too important for me to forget. But more often, the ideas will slip away, leaving me frustrated and struggling to recall the brilliance that once felt so vivid to me. One day I stumbled upon a notebook buried under piles of my research papers. As I flipped through the papers, I found ideas I had written long time ago that were very much relevant. That was my turning point. I realized that the mind is a wonderful place for generating ideas, but a terrible place for storing ideas. From that moment, I made a habit to write everything down. It was the most powerful change I made in my research journey. Here are some valuable key points. Number one, capture idea instantly. Inspiration can strike anywhere, during a lecture, while reading, or even during a casual conversation with colleagues or friends. I carry a small notebook or use my note taking app on my phone to jot down ideas immediately. This habit has saved me countless insights that would have been lost to forgetfulness. Number two, organize thoughts systematically. Writing down ideas is just the beginning. I categorize my notes into themes like research question, potential collaboration, or new methodology. This organized system helps me to easily retrieve relevant ideas when needed. Number three, document learning moments. During my research journey, I often come across valuable lessons, whether from a field experiment, constructive feedback, or even an insightful article. Now, by writing these lessons down, I ensure continuous growth and avoid repeating the same mistakes. Number four, fuel creativity and innovation. Writing ideas down not only preserve them but also sparks some new connection. Sometimes revisiting old notes leads to breakthrough solutions by linking seemingly unrelated ideas. This approach has been a game changer for me in my research projects. And lastly, enhance productivity and focus. By writing things down, I free my mind from the stress of trying to remember everything. This clarity boosts my focus, allowing me to engage more deeply with my research without the constant fear of forgetting crucial details. In my journey as an academic researcher, the simple act of writing things down transformed my productivity, creativity, and even growth. It became my secret weapon for preserving ideas, organizing thoughts, and learning from experiences. Don't trust your memory. It's a great generator of ideas, but a poor keeper of them.